Chriso. What I'm doing now is the aluminium trim. It's brass, or brass over aluminium. So what I do is I've got 4 pieces, I cut the same angle 4 times without changing the saw, and then I change it only once and I cut all the other angle. It's miles faster. See how I hold it with a piece of timber? That's a must, people, because it can grab and drag your finger into the saw. So you always hold it with a piece of timber. It's a must. A lot safer, a lot better. And you take it easy when you're cutting. You don't push it down fast and hard. You just go down gently. Gently and slowly. What I've got to do is get a texture out of my van, change my battery in the camera. So I'll come back to you shortly. This is how it goes. See, that's the opposite. That's the top. So here, I was going to do a 45, but no. I've got to mark it and cut it yet. That piece I'm going to use at the door. And then I've got another length of it, which will do across there. Brilliant. Before I go home tonight, I want to do a coat of waterproof there, and then I'll just do another one in the morning first thing, and it'll be dry by the time I put my tiles on it. So all fantastic. I'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, people. Lean on in. Look at my other videos, there's over 2,000 of them. You will learn, and I'm here to teach you. See ya. Okay, another battery in my camera, and we're good to go. I might have cut that a little smidgy short, but that's alright. It's alright, mama. Always making sure you've got everything out of the road. smidgy didgy too tight. That's all right. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Bit of tape. Better a little bit tight than way too loose. You can always take a mill off. You can always take a millimetre off, but you can't put it on. Twist that tape off for a bit. That's all there is to it, people. I always mark it there the way the mitre going, so you're always checking it constantly that you're cutting the right way. Notice how you go gently with the saw. You don't, no, that's a no-no. It's going to look pretty cool with the brass trim, don't you reckon? I've just got to ease that up a tad with a wedge. That's good. That'll look nice, people. We'll see you soon.